Elephant. Okay. What's the elephant says? Woo. Yeah. Wow. It's yellow. Very good. What about that? What's that? Huh? Lion. What's the lion says? Huh? Oh, I don't know what it says. What about the at the back? What is this? What color? Red. That's red. Okay, next. Cow. What the cow says? Moo. Very good. What about the back? What color is this? Brown. Very good. What about that? Huh? Can I see? Mommy, oh, it's a horse. What's the horse says? Nine. Nine. What about at the back? Flip it up. Pink. Very good. Next. What's the mouse? What about the mouse says? What about the back? At the back, what color is this? What color? Huh? What color is this? Where is it? Can I see? Oh, it's a dog. What the dog says? Woof woof. Okay, very good. And what color is this? Purple. Very good. Cat. What the cat says? Huh? Cat. What the cat says? Ay, what is that? Tiger. Sorry, I thought it's a cat. What's the tiger says? Oh, hindi ko alam. I don't know what's the tiger says. Orange. Very good. What about that? Panda. So what's the color of that one? Huh? Purple. Penguin. Yay! What's the color of the penguin? What's that? Blue. Very good. What is that? Zebra. Wow. Very good. Wow, sheep. So what the sheep says? Ba. Black sheep. What's the color of this one? Green. Very good. Seal. Very good. Mommy doesn't know that one. What's the color of this one? Blue. Who taught you everything? Who taught you this? Huh? Cat. What about the cat says? Meow. Meow. And then what's the color? What's the color of this one again? Orange. Very good. And then? Duck. So what the duck says? Quack, quack, quack. So what's the color of the duck? Yellow. That's very good. What's next? Monkey. So what the monkey says? Dog. I don't know what it says. Monkey. So what's the color of the monkey? Red.
Hippo.
Hippo! Oh, you know what's hippo now? Mommy doesn't know what's hippo. What color is that? Pink. Very good. Yay!